How to track your orders on Temu. This tutorial shows you how to check your order status directly through the app on Android. First, open the Temu app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, tap on the You tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Your Orders to open your order history. At this point, you'll see your orders split into tabs: All Orders, Processing, Shipped, Delivered, and Returns. Tap on the relevant tab to quickly find the order you're looking for. From there, tap on any order to see its current status and tracking details. Following this, if you're having trouble locating your order through the tabs, scroll down and tap on Self-Service to use a different tracking method. From here, you can enter your registered phone number and tap Find Order to pull up your order status. At this stage, if you don't have your phone number handy, you can also track using your email address along with your order ID, or even your payment information if you have that available. After that, enter whichever details you have and tap the Find Order button. Finally, your order status and tracking information will appear on the screen, showing you exactly where your package is in the delivery process. That's how you track your orders on Temu. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.